Back from the market, I need to prep all these ingredients. Our flight is at 6 a.m. the next day. We need to leave for the airport at about 3 a.m., so no rest for me till I have sorted all these out. Normally, I would have just packed these scent leaves as they are, but no time to do more food prep when I get back, so I'm plucking them now. Moreover, we will get home tomorrow, so they'll still be okay even if plucked. As always, wrap in newspapers and tape it up so that the leaves will not shift. That's the secret to them remaining fresh. This Oziza Sha looking scruffy. Since that my original Oziza lady now sells snails, I had to go inside that car park to buy the Oziza. The place was so dark that I couldn't even see what I was buying. Anyway, again, I'm picking the Oziza to minimize the job I'll do when I get back. I won't pick the ora because it's a very soft vegetable. I'll leave it for when I get home. The seller has already removed the big sticks that they used to pad it up. Wrap in a newspaper. No matter what you have against using newspapers to wrap food, they are the best way to keep these vegetables fresh till your final destination. Put them in a plastic bag so that water will not touch it inside the fridge. Yes, I'll put it in the fridge because the weather is too hot in Nigeria. Harmattan who? There is no harmattan, no, at least I don't feel it. So keep the vegetables in the vegetable compartment in the fridge to keep them cool. Talking about fridge, I bought this LG fridge from an LG outlet in 2017. I have the video on this channel. That's 7 years ago. Until today, this fridge has not given me a single issue. This is for those that were telling me that I bought fake Hyatt Amoku fridge and freezer. So you looked me up and down, watched at least one video on my channel, and you think that I, Chinyere, will go and buy electrical appliances from any roadside shop? Some of you Nigerians will never stop defending rubbish and playing devil's advocate for the sake of it. Go to my other channel. I have a video of the day I purchased those two appliances we have in the village. I even said this in that video, but of course, people that rush to defend such things never watch a video till the end. Yeah, blame the customer. Next, I need to rinse and pack my well-washed bitter leaves. I almost missed out on these bitter leaves though. The lady had not resumed after Christmas break, so when I called her, she told me she could not do it. The way we exchanged pleasantries, I even thought she knew I was the one calling. So I called my sister-in-law and told her to find someone else for me. She called the woman and the woman was like, hey, she did not know that it was me, that because of me, she can come out from her break. Oh my God. That was how she called me and said I should have told her it's me. I told her that no, I respect her taking some time off. So why should I try to, impose it on her by telling her, oh, do you know who is calling? Do you know who I am? No, I can't do that now. Instead of doing that to her, we should actually learn something from that woman. If a woman that sells food ingredients in the market knows to take a break, we all should be taking a break too to recharge, I beg. Flat pack them in Ziploc bags. Then I empty the freezer. If this bag will come out, that is. My aim is for the packs of bitter leaves to touch the body of the freezer gong so that they can freeze super fast. No time, This egusi was the first thing I bought, picked and ground at Oyinbo Market. After grinding, they spread it for me at their shop while I went around and bought other things. So it has been aired, hence can now go straight into the Ziploc bag. And into the freezer. Once frozen, it will not go sour before we get to our destination. Every perishable packed and in the fridge or freezer. Let me enjoy some other first in case the ones we are taking do not get home with us. The OGs will know what I mean. Once bitten, twice shy. Some bags packed. This is how we weigh them with the body scale. Weigh yourself, then carry the bag and weigh, then subtract. Mathematics, anyone? You can't run away from it. We need to ensure that they are not above 23 kilos. My least favorite thing to do in the world is to open my bags at the airport and start repacking. Chayo, I hate that. I would rather travel with bags that weigh 20 kilos than be asked to remove some things from my bag at the airport. These ones are ready. In the morning, before we leave for the airport, we will pack the food items that are still in the fridge and the freezer. I even set an alarm for those so that I don't forget. Have you ever forgotten your food item in the fridge or freezer and left? And then when you arrived at your destination, you saw that you didn't bring it. Chayo.